All right, ladies and ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the inevitable future of robots taking over delivery driving platforms, and talking about how long we actually have jobs for, ways of making extra income. But first, I wanted to start off the video because I've seen it in the comments down below quite a bit of times that I never do any extreme sports stuff anymore. So I'm going to do something that robots aren't going to be doing anytime in the future. Maybe I shouldn't have said that because maybe they will actually. So let's do this real quick. Alright, let's get this video started. So for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Tanner Markley. Do a lot of extreme sports kind of stuff. I own a footwear company called Off Axis. We make acrobatic footwear and do a lot of entrepreneurial advice and Doordash delivery driver tips and that kind of stuff. Trying to help my audience live a better life, get financial freedom, and just try to help everyone out as much as I possibly can, you know. YouTube is free information, so I'm trying to help everyone out. So let me catch my breath, then we'll jump into the car, do some delivery driving. All right, so let's talk about what's going to be happening sometime in the future. And I mean, I think we all know it's coming because there's already Teslas that drive themselves around. I had a Tesla for like almost a year, and that thing was so smart, it literally like was a better driver than me. And I hate to say it, but like, you can't really compete with robots. Maybe you can a little bit, but check this out. This is real funny actually, real quick. Look at my chickens crossing the road. Get out of the road. All right, anyways, back to the video. Chicken's always distracting me. Anyways, so I think we all know it's coming pretty soon. I mean, there was even a presidential candidate, probably one of my favorite candidates of this year, Andrew Yang, who based basically his entire presidential run off of robots taking over. And it's gonna happen, you know. Before DoorDash and Postmates and all these things, before they were even a thing, I saw a video about 7 years ago of a Domino's car delivering a pizza with no driver. There was literally just a car showed up. There's this video, it was my friend, and it said like, test car, blah blah blah, warning, watch out, blah blah blah. Anyway, so this car shows up and it has directions and says, for your pizza, open the back door. You open the back door, there's the fucking order in there. No one driving the car. The car drove itself all the way back home. This is before DoorDash was even a thing, like a few years ago. So we all know it's coming. It's just about how long it's gonna be. So before I spew too much of my opinions and stuff, I'm gonna take a break from the filming and I'm gonna look up all the information I possibly can about this and get back to you guys. But in the meantime, I'm gonna drive to my favorite delivery spot, the outlet mall, because that's where you get all the good orders. Let's go. And yo, real quick, before we get this video started, I'm gonna do a quick flash sale for all of my viewers who enjoy my content at all. If you watch it on this first day, okay, I'll do 2 days. If you guys watch this video within the first 2 days, today is January 7th, 2021. I'm sorry if you're watching this video in the future, but you missed out. Okay, so if you guys want some shoes, we got the Off Axis Ninjas. I'm gonna be giving away for $25 today. They're $125, that's how much they're marked at. But just today, for those of you who are watching on the first day, it's gonna be discount code Tanner's YouTube. Yeah, Tanner's YouTube, and shoes are gonna be $25, and we'll give these t-shirts or sweatshirts away for $10 just today and tomorrow. So if you're watching it today and tomorrow, you're in luck. If you're watching it on January 9th in the future, sorry, you missed out. Anyways, let's get back to the video. All right, so while we are driving over to the mall, question to my audience, so comment down below your answer. All right, how long do you think it is until robots take over the delivery platforms? Just comment down below. 5 years, 3 years, 10 years, like let me know your estimate in the comments down below. comment down below. All right, guys, I got to talk about a touchy subject real quick, and some of you may agree, some of you may disagree. I'm just going to throw my opinion out there, but I just got a notification, and this is the third time in the last 2 weeks I've gotten this notification. It is my phone telling me you can sign up for COVID exposure updates, like as if my phone knows where COVID is, okay? Look, I just really feel like they're just spewing a little bit too much fear-mongering kind of stuff, you know? Like, I don't want to know if my phone thinks that I pass by people that have COVID. There's no way that's accurate. I don't need to be notified like, oh, like, dude, that's just gonna keep you scared. Look, the best thing you can do is, I guess, wear a mask and stay healthy. Like, there's not much else you can do. Even if you're wearing a mask, you're still subject to getting COVID, you know? So the best thing you can do is stay healthy. It's been scientifically proven that taking vitamin D supplements and just getting all of your nutrients in and being healthy and active, those things are gonna help, like, maybe not prevent you from getting COVID, but keep you healthy just in case you do get COVID. And I mean, like, let's put it this way. The flu has had a vaccine for years, and people still die in large amounts of numbers from the flu. So, like, COVID's no different, really, you know? Like, maybe it is, but just throwing it out there, guys. Stay healthy. If you guys want any sort of fitness advice or nutrition, just type in my name on YouTube with meal plan, Tanner Markley meal plan, and I have very descriptive videos on how you can be healthier, exact meal plans, and all this stuff. All right, let's continue the video. Hey, guys, we are now at the outlet mall. Terrible delivery. $5.50 for 10 miles. Come on now. Get out of here. All right. Anyways, so what I just said about the COVID thing, the only reason I mentioned that is because I really think that's going to tie in the future. So I just did some research, and apparently delivery robots are already a thing. There's already little, like, what looks like a little wagon or something. Those have been around for a year already, and they're already delivering food. So I mean, the future's already here. So I'm gonna give my bold prediction, and I'm gonna say 5 years until robots are pretty much completely taking over the delivery industry. So that's just my prediction, but you guys might want to start thinking about different ways of making extra money. Not to scare anyone off or piss anyone off, but I think that's already true. I was literally looking at delivery robots. Doordash themselves already have delivery robots delivering, and they've been around for over an entire year. And if you guys haven't looked it up, I'm gonna post a picture of it right here. It's called a Starship robot. The restaurant already puts the food inside of it. I don't know how much they're actually being used, because I don't think they're being used that much. But things like COVID are what's going to speed up this process, because there is people out there, like maybe some of you guys who are watching, who are terrified of COVID and don't want someone like me delivering your food because I might have COVID or something, you know? Like, why take the risk of having a delivery driver who possibly has COVID bring you your food? I mean, I can think of plenty of reasons why you should want someone delivering your food instead of a robot. For one, it's going to be a lot quicker. For two, it's just more of a personable experience, you know? Like, you can, if you have a request and you're the customer, you can ask your delivery driver, like, hey, can you grab me extra ketchup packets? I forgot to put them in, or something. Like, I don't know. Like, there's little things like that. And it's almost like going to a restaurant where there's a waiter. There's a sushi restaurant right by my house in Vegas where literally robots have pretty much completely taken over. Like, it's a sushi place, so there's the revolving thing. It goes all the way around, so you just pick out your orders, and when you do order something specific, like drinks or anything like that, there's these like zooming carts that come out, and all of a sudden your food is right next to you. Then if you want to get rid of it, you just like press a button, the cart comes out, you put your dishes on it, they go away. They have waiters there for very, very little reason, like to like ask if you need any help or anything, but basically waiters are already pretty much completely going to be eliminated. And yeah, so like delivery driving's not going to be around for that much longer, guys. It's just the sad truth. For one, like, you got excess people driving around putting extra fumes into the air. For those of you who are like super you know what's funny, like, hold on, I just want to say this, like, I love how a year ago, before COVID, everyone was like super conscious of the environment, and it all went out the window as soon as COVID came around. We got these masks and like plastic everywhere. Like, it's suddenly like global warming went out the window. And I was one of the people who bought a Tesla because I was like, I don't want to put fumes out in the air. And the only reason I have this Ford Explorer is because I absolutely need to tow large amounts. Like you saw that stage that I had earlier, that thing weighs 5,000 pounds, so I need something to tow a big amount. So I absolutely have to have that. The moment Tesla comes out with a car that can tow a large amount that's not $80,000 like the Model X, I'm buying it. Like that Tesla truck, as soon as that thing comes out, I'm getting that thing. So I mean, like, the inevitable, I don't know why I keep saying inevitable truth is that robots are going to take over this job, and it's not going to be too much longer, especially like robot taxis and all that stuff. Uber's been working on that for years. And I mean, especially all this money that's pouring into Tesla stocks and that kind of stuff, dude, we're literally giving them the money. So, like, the money to go and like fund these kind of operations. So it's gonna happen. It's true. And I mean, I can already see it in 5 years. We're gonna have DoorDashers protesting that people shouldn't be like using delivery apps that only use robots, and like that. Just saying it right now. I'm gonna refer back to this video in like 5 years or so when this happens. It's true. So like, guys, I've been saying it for a long time. Like, if you are a delivery driver, you gotta have a second plan. You cannot be using this as a main source of income because there's no career, there's no like benefits or any of that. This is just like a side hustle job to get you through in the future. Like, I have 3 businesses that I'm working on outside of door dashing. I'm doing my YouTube channel. This is a business. I profit off of it. Sorry if that's like unfortunate news for you, but yeah, I make money off my YouTube channel. I have a footwear company, also like apparel company, obviously, and my stunt show. And those are 3 businesses that I'm working on, and I use DoorDash as a supplementary income so I can continue to reinvest my money that I make off of those businesses. I look at them as like long-term plans, and if DoorDash just disappeared, I have ways of making money without doing DoorDash. So I've been working on it for 3 years. I started three or 4 years ago. I knew that that I was gonna want to have like my own business and that kind of stuff. So I started working on it years ago. So just, if you guys are out there, if you guys have any questions, like, just let me know in the comments down below. I respond to almost every single comment. If you guys have a sincere comment on how to start a business or any of that stuff, I have many videos in the previous videos. I have a lot of information in the previous videos on how to start a business. Like, I'm just trying to help everyone out because, like, if you guys want to be an entrepreneur, it's just about taking that next step. Don't just sit here and talk about it. The people who sit there and talk about it for a long time, your ideas are going to get swooped. You got to like take that moment and like, you know, just go for it, you know? If you have an idea, like when I wanted to start a footwear company, I didn't think about this idea for too long. Like, I've had it as an idea for a while, but I just like pulled the trigger, got a personal loan, invest that money, and it's a lot of money to start a footwear company, I'll tell you that. And just went for it, you know? So don't sit on the ideas for too long. That's all the like advice that I got for you guys today. But if you guys enjoyed this video at all, leave a like or leave a comment down below. Let me know and what you guys want to see in the future videos. Smash that like button because it really helps out my channel a lot, really. It really does, actually. And subscribe because my channel's awesome, and I'm just trying to help you guys out. So if you guys enjoyed any of this stuff, please subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Again, that discount code for we'll do $10 sweaters today and tomorrow. $10, okay? I'm not gonna leave it up there because these things literally cost me $10 to make. And $25 shoes, literally just today and tomorrow. All right, we'll see you guys in the future. See you guys in the next video. All right, anyways, I can't talk today. I'll see you guys. Peace. All right, wait, real quick before you guys go, for the $10 sweaters, go to offaccessacrobatics.com. Select this sweater. It's gonna be the white sweaters. We're just gonna do the white sweaters today, and any of the ninjas, and use the discount code discount code Tanners YouTube, TANNERS YouTube. So go to offaccessacrobatics.com, select the sweater, put them in the cart. When you go to checkout, put it in the coupon code area, Tanner's YouTube. It'll make them $10, and the shoes will be $25, only for 2 days. All right, peace.